Morning, students. Today we will discuss about part of speech. In previous classes, we already discussed about noun and pronoun. So today we will start from adjective. Before understand the adjective, we will know about the definition of adjective. Adjective is a word that explains something special about noun or pronoun. It means adjective explains some quality of noun or pronoun. What kind of noun or pronoun is? This is explained only by adjective. In example, you can see Yuras is a good boy. What kind of boy Yuras is? The answer is Yuras is a good boy. This word good explains about Yuvraj something special. In this way, Ritu is a bright girl. Ritu is a girl, but what kind of girl Ritu is? Ritu is a bright girl. Bright word explains something special about Ritu. Riya is a brave girl. Riya is a girl, but what kind of girl Riya is? Riya is a brave girl. This brave word explains something special about Riya. So, you can understand that adjective is a word that explains something special about noun and pronoun. Okay. The fourth part is verb. Definition: a verb is a word that express about an action or performance. Whenever you see any action is performed for that action, you use only a verb. The word is in your example, Kamal runs. कमल दौड़ता है तो कमल जो दौड़ने का काम कर रहा है वो किससे पता चल रहा है रन से पता चल रहा है सो ऑन सरोज केम फ्रॉम स्कूल सरोज ने आने का काम किया स्कूल से तो किससे पता चला केम द वर्ड इज केम लता गिव मी ए पेन लता ने मुझे एक पेन दिया लता ने पेन देने का काम किया तो कैसे पता चला गेव से पता चला इन दिस वे you can understand that verb is a action word. Actually, verb explains always about any action whenever action is performed. Okay. So Kamal runs. Saroj came from school. Lata gave me a pen. And all these three sentences runs in and give is a word that we can say this is a word. The fifth part, the adverb. Definition: an adverb is a word that modify a verb, adjective, or another adverb also. Adverb is a word that modify a verb. It means it says something about verb, it says something about adjective, it says something about adverb itself. इसका मतलब एडवर्ब वर्ब के बारे में एडजेक्टिव के बारे में या एडवर्ब के बारे में कुछ कहता है एग्जाम्पल में आप देख सकते हैं रेखा इज ए वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट गुड इज अ एडजेक्टिव यू learned earlier good said something about Rekha but good very good it means very modify The word good. Very is adverb here. In another sentence, he runs fast. He runs. वह दौड़ता है. तो runs. Here is run is a verb, but fast. How way he runs? The answer is he runs fast. Okay. He runs fast. So you can say fast is a adverb here. Okay. Surely you are mistaken. You are mistaken. It is right. You are mistaken. But how way? The speaker said surely. Here, whole sentence is modified by a word surely. So, you can say adverb is a word that modify a word, adjective, adverb, and sometimes the whole sentence. Okay. Next, the preposition. The preposition is a word that used with a noun or pronoun to show the relation between noun or pronoun to something else. It means pronoun is a word that shows the relation between noun or pronoun to something else. इसका मतलब है प्रीपोजिशन वो शब्द होता है जो उस सेंटेंस में दूसरे नाउन या प्रोनाउन से उनके आपस में संबंध को दिखाता है. एग्जाम्पल में आप देखेंगे आई हैड गॉन टू मुंबई. मैं मुंबई गया. तो आई इज ए प्रोनाउन, मुंबई इज ए नाउन. तो इन दोनों नाउन और प्रोनाउन के बीच में जो संबंध है वो जाने का संबंध है. तो टू इसको शो करता है. ओके. टू से पता चलता है कि वो मुंबई को गया. द बुक इज ऑन द टेबल. बुक और टेबल के बीच में जो संबंध को शो कर रहा है वो ऑन शो कर रहा है. ऑन. ओके. द काउ सिट्स अंडर अ ट्री. गाय और पेड़ के बीच में जो संबंध है वो संबंध ये है कि पेड़ के नीचे गाय बैठी है. तो इन दीज थ्री sentences, to, on, and under is a preposition. Okay, so you can understand that preposition is a word that shows the relation of a noun or pronoun to other noun or pronoun in that particular sentence. Okay, so that is all for today, student. The rest part of this page will be discussed in next class. Thank you.